Ellis. Hi folks. Most YouTubers are disillusioned at the moment because this demonetizing. I did 3 videos now without swearing, and they still demonetized 2 of them. Probably 3 by the time I go up there. Anyway, so it's not really worth making videos no more. Honest, it's getting that strange. Yocky. Yo. So there's a lot of things you could do with one of these. A, you know, I've made a few darts. B, you could take that off, put a nut on there, so you can use it as a ratchet and make a pipe clamp. A pipe clamp. You sorry we drifted apart, you chewies. Right, that's it there. All it's for is when I start making my motorbike frame. I know it's that wide and it will go to that wide. It'll be square tube like that with your cross pieces on. Something like that. And it's just a matter of clamping them up like that, so I can get a weld there and there. There you go. It was a quick build. Let's hope YouTube likes it. You know what I'm saying. I'll see you in the next video. I think I'll start slowing down now.